Hi, I'm Chee Wen, and I'm a holistic nutritionist. Everyone has a calling in life, and mine is to make healthy living simple, achievable, and affordable. I hope to share my experience so that you too can enjoy a quality lifestyle with the people you love. Through quick and easy recipes, natural remedies, and creative cost-saving tips, healthy living can be simplified. So today I'm craving for Kentucky Fried Chicken. And we all know that fried chicken is not healthy because of saturated fats and high cholesterol, bad cholesterol. So I'm gonna make myself fried chicken without the chicken with just 3 simple ingredients. It will also be baked instead of fried, so it's actually easier and less cleanup to do. Let's get started. So here are the 3 ingredients. The first ingredient is Kentucky Fried Chicken flour that's easily available in any supermarket. The second ingredient, oyster mushrooms. They are chewy and meaty in texture, contains fiber, and boosts immunity. The third ingredient is just beaten eggs. First of all, preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Oil the pan with olive oil. It contains the good fats to increase good cholesterol and protect our heart health. Tear the oyster mushroom into 2. Dip it into the beaten egg. Then dip it into the Kentucky Fried Chicken flour. I'm going to do this twice. We call this double dipping to make the flavor nicer. Then we place it on the tray. Repeat. Pour some oil over the top. Let's put it in the oven and let it bake for 20 minutes. It's 20 minutes and the fried oysters are now smelling wonderful and they are golden brown. See it? It looks like fried chicken. Satisfied. Really good. It tastes like fried chicken. Okay, it can be a snack on its own or part of a main meal. Maybe with a side salad or rice with vegetables. Or you can use it as a patty for burgers and sandwiches. So I hope the next time when you have fried chicken craving and want something healthier, that you will consider making this. So let's make healthy living simplified together, and I wish you the happiest day.